Namaskar. We studied previous lecture about acid, mineral acid, organic acid, indicator. Today we study a strong acid, weak acid, and property of acids. First of all, we know what is a strong acid and weak acid. Acids are of two types: a strong acid and second weak acid. A strong acid and acids which completely ionize in water to form a large amount of hydrogen ion is known as a strong acid. For example, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid because hydrochloric acid completely ionize in water to form hydrogen ion and chloride ion. Next example, when sulfuric acid completely ionized in water to form hydrogen ion and sulfate ion. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, sulfuric acid is a strong acid, nitric acid is a strong acid because hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid completely ionized in water to form a large amount of hydrogen ion. So hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid and all hydra acid is a strong acid. Next, weak acid and acid which is partially ionized in water to form a small amount of hydrogen ion is known as weak acid. Generally, carbonyl acid is a weak acid because carbonyl acid partially ionized in water to form a small amount of hydrogen ion. For example, when acetic acid CH3COOH partially ionized in water to form a small amount of hydrogen ion. So, acetic acid is a weak acid. Similarly, carbonic acid, sulfuric acid are also partially ionized in water to form a small amount of hydrogen ion. So, carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, acetic acid or carbonyl acids is a weak acid. Now we are studying property of acids. Now we are studying property of acids. First, acids have a sour taste. All acids have a sour taste. Acids turn blue litmus into red. Or acids solution conduct electricity. This is physical property of acids. Now we are studying chemical property of acids. First of all, acid react with metal. Acid react with metal to form salt plus hydrogen gas. All acids other than nitric acid react with metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. For example, when zinc metal react with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and release hydrogen gas. In this chemical equation, zinc displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and release hydrogen gas. Zinc chloride is a chloride salt and release hydrogen gas. Next, when sodium react with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride and release hydrogen gas. In this chemical equation, sodium metal react with dilute sulfuric hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride and release hydrogen gas. Sodium displace hydrogen from hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride and release hydrogen gas. Next, potassium react with sulfuric acid to form potassium sulfate and release hydrogen gas. Balance this chemical equation. 2K plus H2SO4 K2SO4 plus H2, potassium is a metal, react with dilute sulfuric acid to form potassium sulfate and release hydrogen gas. In this chemical equation, metal react with dilute acid to form salt and release hydrogen gas. Next property, acids react with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate to form salt, carbon dioxide and produce water. Acid plus metal carbonate to form salt, carbon dioxide plus water. When acid react with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate to form salt, carbon dioxide and produce water. For example, hydrochloric acid react with sodium carbonate to form sodium chloride, water and release carbon dioxide gas. Balance this chemical equation. When hydrochloric acid react with sodium carbonate, metal carbonate to form sodium chloride is salt, release CO2 gas and produce water. Next example, when hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydrogen carbonate to form sodium chloride, CO2 and produce water. In this chemical equation, hydrochloric acid react with metal bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate to form sodium chloride, release CO2 gas and produce water. Acid react with metal to release hydrogen gas, but acid react with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate to release CO2 gas, carbon dioxide gas. Next example, acid react with base to form salt and produce water. For example, when hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and produce water. In this chemical equation, acid react with base to form salt and produce water. This is known as neutralization reaction, because in this chemical equation the property of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide is changed and form a new substance, sodium chloride. So this is a neutralization reaction. Next example, when hydrochloric acid react with potassium hydroxide, acid react with base to form salt, potassium chloride and produce water.